Well, hey everybody, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. The other day I thought, you know what? I love lasagna and I love making fun ones. I thought, I wonder if you could make an Indian curry lasagna and it could be a Jim's creation. Well, I looked it up and I see Indian curry lasagna already exists, so of course I'm gonna have to make it. Not a Jim's specialty creation, but still, I can't wait to try it, and I hope it's great. I'm cooking up some chicken and some onions. 4 teaspoons of curry powder. Some minced garlic. I'm going to cook this for about a minute. A small can of tomato paste. I need 2 cans of coconut milk. I'm going to bring this to a boil. Once it boils, I'm going to reduce the heat and then let it simmer for 5 minutes. For the cheesy layer, I need a bowl. 2 cups of ricotta or paneer or cottage cheese, like I'm using. 2 eggs. 10 ounces of thawed frozen spinach. Little pepper, little salt. Let's give that a good stir. I'm going to start with a layer of the chicken sauce, about 1/3. Next, a layer of oven-ready noodles. Half of that cheese mixture. More chicken. And repeat. I'm going to top it all off with some mozzarella cheese. And now I bake it in a 350-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Indian curry lasagna. I'm having it with some pampardons I cooked up. Love them. Let's give this a try. That curry flavor, incredible. Love the cottage cheese in there, and the noodle, it just works with it. Curry lasagna is fabulous, and it's something that you should try out too. Why not try unique things? I've got plenty of videos on them here on Jim's Kitchen. Subscribe if you want to see more. I've been losing a lot of weight just by wearing bread on my head. It's a new loaf hat diet.